I have started the Jupyter notebook, and as usual, I need to import a couple of packages because I explained that when you start a new session, you need to import the packages. Um, so I have imported these packages. I have imported NumPy, Math, and Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. When we say that we need to plot something, we need to generate something, it is always on two variables. One is dependent variable and another one is independent variable. As a convention, we put independent variable on x-axis and dependent variable on y-axis. That is what we are trying to do it here. So let's create some point on x-axis. So between minus 2.5 to 2.5, I have created 50 different points. Let's make some relationship with y. So y varies as x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1. And then I'm going to plot it between x and y. So let's plot this and see what happens. So this is a cubic plot. This is a cubic plot basically, and it shows that the values are varies from minus 2.5 to 2.5. We can make any changes in this. We can create anything. Let's say you want to check the fourth power or fifth power. So we can do that. And you can see that this is how it looks like. If you want to make a subplot, this is how it looks like. Okay. So you can do any kind of variations in this plot and you will uh, get required relationship between x and y. Now here is the important thing to understand from the perspective of Matplotlib. Just showing the relationship between two numbers is not enough. We also need to decorate that plot, and for that reason we need to tell them what is there on the x-axis and what is there on the y-axis and what is the name that you want to keep it. So I have just written it down. Let's change this back to 3 and then to 2 and then this is x, so that it will be consistent with our graph. Okay, so otherwise it was varying from 0 to 2.5. Now it is varying from minus 2.5 to 2.5. So just to keep this consistent, let's work on this relationship, and it is how it shows. The title of the plot is this, the y-axis is this, x-axis is this. So whatever we need to change, need to name the x-axis, we can do it. Maybe 50 distinct points, and it will change to 50 distinct points. So this is how a simple plot works in Matplotlib. Now it is very important because when we are working on a big project, we are generating number of figures, number of charts. Then at that time, it is very important to provide some ID so that it will be referenced at the end, or it will be referenced somewhere else. So for that reason, we need to provide uh, an ID to the plot. So you don't have to do anything, just need to write plt.figure and then some number, so that number works as an ID for that plot. So this number 1, it works as an ID for this plot. Okay, I have not done this. These two graphs are not different, just this command is different. In the same way, you can try a subplot. So the ID for this plot is figure 2. So in Python, what happens? It creates a graph and then it provides you the flexibility. So this is plot, and then inside one plot, inside one big plot, we can provide number of many small plots. So there is, this one is plot 1, plot 2, plot 3, plot 4. So these plots are all these plots are called subplots. So there are many number of subplots inside a plot. So Matplotlib provides that flexibility. We will see that. We'll see how it works. So here I have defined few functions, few trigonometric functions, cos x, sin x, and tan hyperbolic x. So how to show them, how to show all these plots in one figure or one plot. So all this will be a subplot. You can show all these plots in one figure. So how to do that? First of all, we need to provide the area of the figure. So let's say you are providing like 15 to 15 comma 10. So maybe 15 centimeter comma 10 centimeter area to this plot, and then you tell them specifically which plot is going to which block. So as I said, so you tell them specifically which plot is going to which block. So it has three different parameters. First one is show the number of rows, number of columns, and one is show the number of the third one shows the number of block. So this plot goes to first block, this goes to second block, this goes to third block, and this goes to fourth block. So this is how it works. So first plot belongs to cos x. So this one is a plot for cos x. And second one belongs to sin x. So this belongs to sin x. As you can see, this is sine function. And third one is for tan function, tangent function. And then last one is tan hyperbolic functions. Now to decorate this, again, you have got lots of different options. You can provide, you can give a different, you can plot them in a different color. So let's say you want to color it green. You simply have to write green. You want to plot this one as blue. You want to plot this as, let's say, red. And maybe this one as yellow. So Matplotlib provides lots of color options. I want you to check online what are different colors available and how many variations you can put in one plot. In case you will, in case you will, you will give a different number. So these three plots will show in a much smaller size. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, now there are other things. We sometimes we are interested in showing the points on the curve, and for that reason we need to provide some kind of marker. Okay, so let's say if you provide marker to cos plot as this, or maybe this, and marker to the sine plot as this, and so on. So if you run this, you will see all these are marked now. So this is, there are lots of options available. If you go down and find out call signatures, so there is a plot. So it has a plot XY, and if you write dot, BO, it is a blue circle markers. Lots of options are available. I want you to find out all those options available for making your plot and chart beautiful and showing in a more meaningful manner. So kindly keep exploring Matplotlib. It's a huge package, and it has lots of options available. In case you don't want to show all of them in a different plots and you want them to show in a one single plot, this one is the command for the same. So here it will plot between xy1, here it will plot between xy2, xy3, and xy4. At the same time, you can also, as you can see this graph, this is a plot. There are 4 different plots, and you can show them in one block. Okay, so in case you also want to distinctly show different plots for different relationship, you can show them in a different colors, and you can just show all these color names and then markers, everything at the same place. So this is how Matplotlib works in very brief. I want you to keep exploring this package. This is very beautiful package and it will help you to make your plots and charts uh, come alive, and the impact that it it gives to the clients or stakeholders or your team members, that will be immense. Now I will upload data science videos, and where there is a need, where there is a requirement, I will also show you some Python codes. Plus, I have also uploaded few R videos that will also help you to learn R. And I'll try my best to give you both syntax for R as well as Python when I'm working on or when I'm teaching data science uh, or data science concepts. So keep connected and see you soon. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.